Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today's episode, birthday cake. Got chocolate, raspberries, blueberries, egg yolks, egg whites, cream cheese, butter, a couple of more eggs, cane sugar, almond flour, King Arthur flour, creme de tartar, baking powder, baking soda, Vermont maple syrup, Amaretto di Saronno, Chambord. Let's get started. Okay, unsalted butter, cornmeal, make it nice. Alright, same deal with your muffin pans. Alright, get those egg yolks going. Now the dry goods, it's 2-to-1 flour to almond meal. We're going to do the almond meal first, that thing. You got to really screen this stuff because it's a nut. So screen it up pretty good, get it in there, and then once that happens, get your farina going. There we go. One and then the other. Now you're going to want 2 ounces of sugar, not much at all, and then a tablespoon each of powder and soda, and do it really well, and no salt, please. All right, the wet stuff. Get your eggs, whip them up. 2 ounces of Vermont maple syrup, tablespoon of good vanilla, and a good shot of Amaretto di Saronno. And then another 2 ounces of cream. Oh, there's the egg whites. Look at those. So they're not meringue, but they're definitely peaks. You don't want to overdo the egg whites for cake. Anyways, there's your butter. You want to break it up, but you don't want to over mix it. The reason you don't use a whisk when you're folding in the flour. So here we go. Water, flour, or your dry mix, and water. Water keeps it light and fluffy. And then you get ready for your egg whites. Get that texture just the way you want it. Kind of like muffins. Cake. Ooh, look at that go. All right.
It's like making muffins. I mean, this is perfect. Do you see the texture of this? This is what you're looking for. And you know, you got to make 1,000 of them to get this way. You know, for measuring stuff out. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, more of this, more of that. You know, if you're wasting time with measuring cups and stuff, okay, well, you know, that's okay, but because you got to learn somewhere. But once you learn that recipes are, you know, you're going to doctor it up the way that you're going to find, ooh, if I add this, this happens. And that's how we all create. That's what creation is. It's not a recipe.
All right, ready to pour. Look at that. A little better than halfway. And then all around the dice, and then fill up your muffin pans. This actually worked out pretty funny. Absolutely perfect amount for both. Also, you're going to be doing this at 325 degrees for 40 minutes. 30 for the muffins. All right, frosting. This is easy as it gets. Raspberries, Chambord, cream cheese. That's it. And then you got to let it set really good in the fridge. All right, time to pull out that cake. Look at that beauty. And then let it get all set on the rack.
Oh yeah, blueberries. Sorry, I got ahead of myself there. Blueberries in a saucepan. You know what we're doing. Making a little jam.